Water is essential for life as we know it, but what if life could exist without it? Could alien organisms survive in entirely different conditions? Let's explore this fascinating question. On Earth, water is the foundation of life. It acts as a solvent, helping chemical reactions inside cells, transporting nutrients, and maintaining temperature. But elsewhere in the universe, the conditions might be very different. Take Titan, for example, Saturn's largest moon. It has lakes and rivers, but they're made of methane and ethane, not water. Some scientists believe life could adapt to use these hydrocarbons as a solvent instead of water, creating an entirely different kind of biochemistry. Another idea involves silicon-based life. On Earth, carbon is the backbone of life's chemistry, but silicon could play a similar role in extreme environments where water isn't present. Even here on Earth, we find organisms in extreme places that don't rely on traditional water environments, like microbes living near hydrothermal vents. These organisms survive using chemicals like hydrogen sulfide instead of sunlight or oxygen. Researchers have also proposed the possibility of life in environments with liquid ammonia or sulfuric acid. While these are hostile to humans, alien life forms might thrive by evolving entirely new survival mechanisms. Life, as we know it, depends on water, but the universe is vast and full of possibilities. Could life evolve to survive without it? The search for answers continues as we explore distant worlds. What do you think? Let us know in the comments.